Welcome to Sun Outdoors Key Largo, your launchpad to the dive capital of the world. Here, the journey is below the surface, and the only routine is chasing the horizon. Our resort is nestled right on the Gulf of Mexico, giving you those postcard-perfect scenic views out to the islands, surrounded by palms and endless blue skies. However you plan your island escape, we have the perfect home base. We have our stylish vacation rentals available in one bedroom or one bedroom with a loft feel like true coastal bungalows. Most come complete with full kitchen amenities and your own washer and dryer for total convenience. Or we offer campsites ranging from standard to premium, all equipped with full RV hookups including 30 and 50 amp service. We also have our Key West style motel featuring wonderfully decorated rooms for a charming island retreat. For your ease, we also provide full-service laundry facilities, restrooms, and showers for all guests. Launch straight into adventure. Our dedicated marina is ready to dock your boat so you can dive, snorkel, or fish minutes after you arrive. After a successful trip, head straight to our grill area to sizzle up your catch of the day for a fresh, unforgettable dinner. Our beautiful beach area is the ultimate spot for soaking up the sun and catching those legendary Florida Keys sunsets. The perfect end to any day. Nearby, we have John Pennekamp Coral Reef State Park, where you can explore the amazing underwater world. Boat rentals are easily accessible nearby. In between your excursions, explore downtown Key Largo, which is packed with fantastic local restaurants and unique island shops. Our entire team is here to make sure you have the most unforgettable stay. We can't wait to welcome you to Sun Outdoors Key Largo, where you can enjoy your sunnier side and create incredible memories. Your adventure starts now.